In this video, I'll be showing you the proper way to upload your videos to get more views and engagement. Hey wonderful people, welcome to my channel. On this channel, we'll talk about how to grow on YouTube, and if that seems like something you are interested in, please subscribe to my channel. And without wasting much of your time, let's get started.
So you go to YouTube, you click on your picture icon, you click on it, make sure you are signed in to the right account, the account you want to use to upload. So I'm in the right account. So you click on create, then you click on upload video, then you allow it to load. Then you can either drag and drop file, or let's select files. Then you click on select files, then you click on the video you want to work with, click on it, and then click on open. Yeah, so you allow it to load. So the title is already there because that was what I saved the file with. So let me just feed this up behind the camera so as not to waste your time. You see your title, description, and all of that. Let me fill it up. So now I've edited my title, I've added my description. Then you scroll down, you see, I make sure you used SEO optimized descriptions so as to get more views. So you see thumbnail, I've added my thumbnail. You can, if you click on that three icon, you can change, download, auto generate, test and compare, but I'm okay with the one I used. So you see playlist, you click on playlist, add your videos to playlist. Always add your videos to playlist. So I have added mine. You can create a new one, but I'm okay with this one. So click on done, then you scroll down, you see this audience. Make sure if your video is not made for kids, make sure you select no. If your video is not for kids, make sure you select no. Don't go and select yes because it's to your disadvantage. So I selected no because my video is not made for kids. So you scroll down, you see this paid promotion. Please always disclose if you received any paid promotion for this particular video so as to gain YouTube trust. Make sure you select it, but I didn't receive anything, so I'll leave it blank like that. So you see this altered content. You see, if it's not something like AI or it's not altered, please select no. Don't leave it blank. So I selected no because it's not altered. So you see these automatic captions and so on. Allow everything. Allow everything. These automatic places, automatic captions and keywords, and so just allow it, leave it like that. So when you come down, see these tags, make sure you fill in your tags. Make sure you use tags. So you can use up to 500 words. Make sure you use SEO optimized tags so as to get more views for your videos. So on this language and caption certification, click on the video language. Make sure you select the language your video was shot in. So I shot my video in English language, so I selected English. You see, just leave the rest and scroll down. Then you see this allow embedding and publish to subscription feed. You see, I have just few subscribers on this channel, and I don't know if they'll be interested in this kind of video yet. So I allow embedding so as for YouTube to push it to other people and not notify my subscribers first, so as to get more views and more new people to watch my video. So if you scroll down, you see short remixing. I click on allow video and audio remixing because why not? So when you scroll down, you'll see category. When you click on it, click on the category your video falls in. My video falls in education, so I select education. If you are in entertainment niche, selected entertainment. So if you scroll down now, you see this academic system. I selected US because I want to give it a try. Yes, and I believe it will get me more views. We have other countries there, but I selected the US. Then scroll down, and you scroll down, you see this, you see comments and ratings. Make sure your comment is on. You see on and off, turn it on. You see moderation, I put it in basic because Yeah, I put it in basic. So you can use anyone you want. So you see this show how many viewers like this video. You can either turn it on or turn it off. I like it turn on. Then you click on next. So after clicking on next, you see add subtitles, add end screen, and add cards. So you see my video is already generated in English. Yeah, my is subtitled in English already. So I click on add for that end screen. You see, you just work with anyone in this box that you like. Let me show you the one that I like. Yeah, I click on this one that I like. Then let me click on that video box. Then I'll scroll down to put in the video that I want to be there. Then I select it. You see, I have a full video on how to add end screens and cards to your video. Just make sure you watch it after watching this one. So I selected the playlist box. I click on the playlist icon and select the playlist I want to use. So I selected that one. So after all that, you click on save. You save it. So now you scroll down to add cards. You scroll down to add cards. Then click on add. You click on add card. Yeah. So you can add video, playlist, channel, link, and so on. So let me work with video first. Then I click on the video that I want to add. Yeah. Then go to the see I have a full video on how to add cards, end screens, and so on, how to create playlist, everything. I have a video on about that. Make sure to watch it after watching this video. So after you're done, just click on save. Click on save. Then it's save. Then you will now click on next.
And before we continue, I'll be subscribing to the first 100 people to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and drop a comment below when you are done.
So let's continue. You click on next. So you allow it to load. Then this checks is very important. This is where you will check if your video has any copyright strike or claim. Please always check it so as not to affect your monetization programs. So after checking it and you see that it's clear, then click on next. Then you see visibility. This is very important. Then you see save or publish. You see private, unlisted, public, and you see schedule. If you scroll down, you see scheduled. Then if you want to schedule your video, you will see the date, the time. You can set it to whatever you want. But I'm not going to schedule this video. Always put your video in private before you publish it. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll put it in private. Yes, I always put my videos in private before publishing it. So I clicked on private. Then you scroll. If you scroll down, you see it. I already put it in private. Then you click save. You click on save. Then after hitting save, you are done. You will see this video is only visible to you. Yeah, so I'm okay with that for now. So if you want to publish it, you click on that pencil icon. Then you scroll down. Whenever you are ready to post it, put it in public. Then you click on this visibility here. You click on it. You see public schedule. You can schedule it to any time or date you want it to go live. But I'm not doing anything on it now. I still want it in private. So like that we are done.